Hello and welcome back to Love Advice TV. My name is Coach Adrian and I'm so happy to be able to do these videos for you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being a loyal subscriber. Thank you for supporting Love Advice TV. You fuel my fire and I love doing these videos for you. Today, I wanted to talk about how to be happy after a breakup when your heart is broken. And it's a very, very important topic that a lot of you will be able to relate to because it's hard, it's tough. After a separation or breakup or a divorce, a lot of people feel like they will never be happy again, actually. And that it's the most painful, devastating thing that they never thought they would have to deal with or experience in their day-to-day. And the truth of the matter is that there are ways to be happy after a breakup as long as you approach it in the right way. And the key, of course, is to turn the crisis into an opportunity. The key is to make sure that you don't focus on what you've lost and obsess over what you no longer have, but instead choose to learn from the adversity that you've faced and to turn this into an opportunity for you to grow and to become a better person and a better potential partner. And there's a fine line. Those that have the right mindset and use this as fuel usually are happy a lot more quickly than those who continue to sulk in their misery and in their despair and are obsessing over what they have lost. And it's not easy because it's an identity crisis, right? You are unhappy because you're continuing to cling on to what your identity was prior to the separation. And you are continuing to value the things that you were investing in prior to this separation. You are unable to accept this new reality and to take on the challenge of having to redefine who you are. And the first step, usually when I deal with people in private coaching sessions who are at the bottom of the barrel, is to work on gratefulness, to do all sorts of different gratefulness exercises in order to shift your mindset from what you don't have to what you do have, from the despair to actually what you are thankful for in your day-to-day, in your present situation today. Yes, the one that you love has left you, but you still have so much going for you. There is still so much to be thankful for. And I encourage you to continuously focus on those things that you do have in order to cultivate a grateful mindset, in order for you to be happy quickly. And obviously, the key is for you to be able to focus on the things that you can control. If you obsess over the things that you can't control, just like I was telling this client of mine, you're gonna obsess and waste precious energy on things that can't change your circumstances or situation. Thinking about what your ex posts, does, or who he or she is with is only going to feed into that negativity and that sense of despair. Focusing on the challenges that you've set out to accomplish today, on accomplishing certain goals this week, will only empower you. And this feeling of being in control and of seeing you evolve and progress will be very fulfilling and will make you happy. It's also important that you don't try to please other people. Stop worrying about what your friends, your family, your ex, or what society thinks of you or of this breakup or how you should act or what you should do. And go back to the things that actually make you happy, the things that you truly enjoy doing, the things that you enjoy doing even before you met this person. Because a lot of times, in order to recreate an identity after a broken relationship, the easiest way to do that is to go back to this person that you were prior to meeting them. Of course, you're going to be a wiser version of the person that you were because of all this life experience that you've been able to garner over the last few weeks, months, years, decades. But that's what your focus should be on, to go back to being your true self. That will lead you to be happy. That's what I tell people each and every day. And the key, of course, to do that is to confront your fears, to stretch your comfort zone, to accept the fact that it's going to be painful, and to do things that you don't necessarily feel like doing in order to kickstart that process. But thousands upon thousands of people do this every year. We are fortunate enough to be able to support a wide variety or wide range of people all over the world who embrace this challenge and who manage to find happiness despite the despair, despite the loss, despite the pain and the adversity that they're facing today. If they do it, you can do it too. If I have done this, you can do this too. And so choose to fight the good fight. Continue to tune in every day. Get the support that you need from the Love Advice TV community. Book a private coaching if need be for us to be in the trenches with you day in and day out. And as always, keep fighting the good fight and see you soon. Choose to be happy and transform your life.